Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this video, we're going to be making our home page header to be transparent. All right. So as you can see that this is the white that's coming. So white will look good on the shop page. White will look good on the cart page. White will look on all the other pages. But right here on the home page, we want it to be transparent. So how can you do that? You can do it. It's really very simple. All you need to do is to just click edit page, and it's going to take you to the edit page over there. Now, remember one thing is that this transparent header feature might be only with the Astra theme only. So if you are using any other theme, there might not be a way to make your header transparent. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and let's make our header transparent. All you need to do is to just go to your Astra settings over here at the top right. All you need to do is to click on here, and now you should see this advanced settings. Now what you need to do is to click on here, and here it says the transparent header. All you need to do is to just click this to enable, and now you have to close this dialog box, and now you have to hit update, and this page will now be updated. Alright, so now once this page gets updated, now what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the visit website. How is it looking right now? Alright, so we've got this header and it is now totally transparent. Now what you need to do is to design it accordingly. So first of all, what we need to do is to give some spacing from the top. So what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will go to the edit with Elementor. Now once you are in the Elementor, what we need to do is to give some spacing from the top. So what we will do is that we will go to edit section, we will go to the advanced, and we need to give some spacing from the inside of this section. So we need to add some padding. So let's uncheck this and let's add 150 pixels from the top. Alright, similarly from the bottom you can use 50 pixels, and or 50 pixels is much more, so let's just go ahead and let's use to be 30 pixels. That's it. Now you can go ahead and you can hit update. So whenever you will hit update, all you need to do is to go back to your website, and then you have to refresh this and check like how is it working. Alright, and now it is kind of looking good. Alright, now what you can do is that you can design it accordingly. So how you can design this header now? All you need to do is to click customize, and it's going to take you to the theme customizer. Now this theme customizer is really very intelligent, and what it's going to do is that this is going to automatically detect that you have been using transparent header on this. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at it. Then we will go to the header builder. Like here you can see that we have got this transparent header. Alright, it says the header on this page is set from the transparent header. So please click the link below to customize the transparent header. So what you can do is that you can click on it. And there we go. Now we are on the transparent header. And here it says whether you want to enable this on desktop mobile or whether you want to enable it only on desktop. And here it says, do you want to enable this transparent header on the complete website? We just want to say that we want it to be enabled only here. And now what you can do is that you can go into the design, and now you can design this particular header accordingly. So let's just go ahead and let's do that. First of all, we've got the menu color. So what we will do is that we will change our menu link color to be white. Alright, and now we've got this hover and active, and whatever the color is actually active, or whatever page you are on, will be set to black. That means that it will tell the user that okay, this is actually the selected page that you are on. Similarly, instead of that, you can use the yellow color that's being used. So you can use this color Zilla, and you can pick color from this page, and you can basically install this add-on if you want to install, and you can get the color. You can just click on it, and now you can paste it here. Alright, and now you can see that this is how it's looking. Similarly, instead of using that, you can just keep all your menu links to be like a yellow color if you want to use that. And you can set your current to be like having a black. And this is how it's actually looking. So it totally depends upon you how you want it to be done. So now for this particular number that we have over here, and let's suppose that we want to change it, you can go ahead and you can change that too. And let's go down, and we've got this HTML color. So what you can do is that you can set your HTML color to be the yellow as well. Alright, and right here we've got this HTML color. So let's just select this, and let's go down and let's add this yellow. All right, and you can see that now this is also set to yellow. Similarly, when you click on it again, here we've got this WooCart icon color. So you can just go ahead and you can add that to be yellow as well. And let's see how does this work. And there we go. You can see that this is how it's looking now. Similarly, for the search icon, you can just go ahead and you can go above there. And there we go. We've got the search icon color. And you can set this to be yellow color as well. And you can see that this is how it's actually looking. And there we go. Now we are fully done with our header right here. So now we've got this bottom border size. So if you want to increase the border, you can do that. If you want to use any type of border, like let's suppose that you want to use a 1 pixel border, you can see this is how it will look. All right. So if you want to do it this way, you can definitely do it this way. Otherwise, if you do not want it at all, you can just keep it to be 0 pixels, and this is how it will look like. Similarly, here we've got this background overlay. So what you can do is that you can add a background overlay of black color, all right? And you can set its transparency to be like very much low, just like that. And you can see how this is working. And then what you can do is that you can add a 1 pixel border right here. And there we go. Now this is kind of bit looking much better. All right, so you have applied a background overlay and you have also applied a border right there. And if you need the border color to be like a very less colored, very light color, you can also set that. And now you're fully done. Now you can go ahead and you can hit publish. And now if you will go ahead and you will take a look at your website right here, you can see that this is how this particular website is looking. But what I will be doing is that I'll be going ahead and I will be getting rid of the background overlay, and I'll also be getting rid of the border bottom size because I kind of like it this way. Similarly, the menu color, so menu text color, I want it to be white, full white. All right, and I kind of like it this way, so I'll be just doing it that way. And similarly, the search icon color, I'll be just setting this to white. All right. And the HTML text color, let's go down, which is this. You'll just set this to white. And we can just keep our cart to be yellow. All right, so you can keep one thing to be yellow so that it just matches this. All right, and there we go. Now you can go ahead and you can hit publish. Now, let's just go ahead and let's refresh this and let's take a look at it, whether this is looking clean or the other settings that we just did right now are looking clean. So there we go. You can decide what is looking clean, and then you can go ahead and you can go up with it. Now remember one thing. If you are using your hero section background image to be like there is no much clear space on that, then I would highly recommend you to use a background overlay on that, and it will look much better. Otherwise, if you are using an image where there is much more white spacing, you can definitely go at it and you can like neglect that, and you cannot use any type of the overlay for your particular menu. So there we go. This is how it's looking, and now we are fully done. Now if you will go ahead and you will click on the shop page right here, and you will go to the shop page, this will be turned to white, and it will just give you an impact that this is actually normal. So this is how it's looking when we go down, and our website is like this. So congratulations guys on building a beautiful